If you've been convicted of a DUI in California, you can immediately reinstate your license and regain full driving privileges. Let us be your one stop resource to help you through the process. SB 1046 was passed in January of 2019, allowing all DUI offenders the opportunity to get back on the road right away if they install an ignition interlock device, obtain an SR22 certificate, and enroll in a DUI program. We want to help explain your options based on the offense. If you've been convicted of a first offense DUI, you have three options to choose from. The best option, if you want to drive freely without any restrictions, is to install an interlock device in your vehicle for 6 months. Second, you can choose to obtain a restricted license for 12 months, only allowing you to drive to and from work and the DUI program during their hours of operation. Or finally, you can sit out driving privileges while you serve a 6-month hard suspension. It's important to note that although you can drive with an interlock before you are convicted, you will have to choose one of these three options upon your conviction date. If you've been convicted of a first offense DUI with injury or a second offense DUI, you will be required to install a mandatory ignition interlock device for 12 months. You should install your ignition interlock device as soon as possible because all days count toward your 12 months, even if you haven't been convicted in court yet. If you've been convicted of a third offense DUI, you'll be required to install an ignition interlock device for 24 months. Again, install your device as soon as possible because every day with your ignition interlock device will count, even if you install pre-conviction. LifeSafer has a direct hotline to California DMV's Mandatory Actions Unit to find out the condition of your license. We can help to eliminate some of the burden by saving you hours of time on hold and walking you through the process toward getting your license reinstated. Whether you choose to install with LifeSafer or not, please use us as a resource to help you get back on the road as quickly as possible. Our goal is to make the process easy for you by providing a reliable, easy-to-use device. We will price match competitors so you know you're getting a fair cost without hidden fees, and our team is here to support you every step of the way. We know this process can be overwhelming. As one of the most trusted interlock providers in California, we'll get you through it.